Hi everybody, good evening, good afternoon. Um, I've been associated with Oriflame for 4 years now. I think 5th year running. It's been a lovely, lovely, lovely association. Like I was just talking to them, when I started, when Oriflame actually came to me, I didn't really know too much about it because everybody talks about how they've been using this brand for a really long time. The mothers have been using it and it has a history. I didn't know this history. When they first came to me and I heard about it and I said, I want to know more about the company. What really attracted me to Oriflame was the layer of this company. It's beauty products, no doubt about it. It's great. We all love beauty products. We love beautiful things. But Oriflame for me is especially special because of the way they do their business. It's the way the women who use it are the ones who are selling it. And in their own beautiful way, they're empowering women. That for me was the biggest selling point where Oriflame was concerned. For me, that led me to thinking that a company which has a certain work ethic is going to deliver me a certain kind of product. The next step was sample products. I got the products, again, shocking. The texture, the fragrance. I'm like, I've been paying dollars and euros and God knows how much money for certain products, and here's the texture in this amount. Can't be true. I was really, really surprised, and I've asked them also. I said, how do you guys deliver this kind of quality in the amount that you're charging? And they said, that's what this model does. We are not wasting our money on any of the showy things that happen. We put it into our product. And that's why you get such an amazing product at such an amazing price. And believe me, anything that you get at great price, great bargain in that sense, we all love it, don't we? We all love it. So yes, that again, well, like I said, the history of Oriflame for me was from there. Every year, every season, they've been coming out with new colors in their makeup, new ranges, and it's always been a pleasure to try out their new things. I have extremely, extremely sensitive skin. So yes, I can't use every product that's there in the Oriflame range. None of you will be able to use everything. But the beauty is that Oriflame has something for everybody, every skin type. Now here we've come with Love Nature. Oriflame's Pure Nature was one of my favorite lines because they had beautifully natural products in it, and they have enhanced Pure Nature. For any of you who have been associated with it and who have used these products, you know how lovely Pure Nature was. And I'm like, okay, Pure Nature gets better. It becomes Love Nature because they've added a few things to it. The textures are better, the fragrances are better, and yes, you have more types in it. And of course, the best thing in it is the neem range. For us Indians, it's a no-brainer. We've all grown up with knowing how amazingly magical neem is. For neem to be used correctly and for all its qualities to be brought to us, if anybody could, I'm sure Oriflame will, because of the way they go through testing their products. I've heard all that. They literally go through 5 levels of tests, and there's a huge amount of work and research that goes into it before they actually put the product out. So I was very excited that they've got a neem range, which also looks beautiful, because look, we all want to get up in the morning and look a beautiful looking neem product rather than an ugly green slab, sorry to say. So yes, that is also important. I was in fact telling them that you've launched it in India, but this is a product that should go worldwide. I really think so. You should do that because I think it's a wonderful product. So here we are today launching this product, and I'm wishing Oriflame yet again all the best for it. I'm sure you're going to rock it, and I hope all of you ladies enjoy it too. Thank you so much for being here. Hi, I wanted to know if the products are paraben free.
I'm so sorry, I didn't get your name.
Mansi.
Mansi, hi. Mansi, while we are launching, and all of us know the harmful effects of paraben, which is why this question is coming. Yes, I will say that we are paraben free in this product. Yeah, I'm sure that makes you happy. Yeah. Any more questions?
Hi Sonali, you look as gorgeous as ever.
Thank you.
And we miss you, miss seeing you on the silver screen. So please tell us when are you coming back, because I believe you were one of the most beautiful faces. Like we have this EBCC model, we do not know. All the guys have. I was told that they categorize women in 4 things. One is elegant, B beautiful, C classy, and other C is Cullinan. Cullinan is the 4th highest, and you have been classified by all the guys in the Cullinan model. So we are really looking forward to see you soon.
I don't know when I'm getting back on screen, because quite honestly, all my life I've never really planned it. This career was definitely not something that I was planning on doing. I was not planning on being an actor. It just happened to me. I really enjoyed myself. The journey so far has been wonderful. I have got much more than I ever dreamt of getting from where I came from. And this, the life as an actor, and my career gave that to me. But so far, till today, I have never really planned what I did. I just did whatever my gut told me. When it came to me, I said, no, I like it, I will do it. So, and I think I've done pretty well in that sense. So I'm going to continue doing that. And so there are no plans. I'm going to take life as it comes and go about it organically.
Thank you. Hi Sonali. Can you share with us your skincare routine and how much of nature and kitchen is involved in that?
I don't involve too much of kitchen in my skincare, quite frankly. Yeah, I don't really believe in that too much. I do believe that there are people who do certain things and there are certain products and they know their job, and that's why I'm quite happy to use things out of the tube.
So what's your skincare routine?
Very simple. I like most of the things in my life, minimum fuss-free. So it's every one of us, we have those 1 or 2 products that really suit you, and once you find that product, you stick to it. And that's what I do. So yes, cleaning, moisturizing. Now at this stage, definitely moisturizing is something that I do need. And so cleaning, very, very important. Deep cleaning more regularly, and moisturizing. It's simple. Yes, when I step out of Mumbai, probably I might need more moisturizing and stuff like that, but not really too much more than this.
So lots of cleaning and lots of moisturizing.
Yeah. Never go to sleep with anything on my face.
Alright, no moisturizer before you go.
Nothing.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sonali. Hope you are doing well.
Very well, thank you.
Sonali, I would like to know, girls are, born pretty, they are, most of us. But as they grow older, maybe you can say after 25, and especially when they become mother, after motherhood, the beauty goes a little bit decline. So how they should take care, and when we look towards you, you are really a role model for others. So how do you take care, and what is your advice for the growing age?
I don't know if it's the right thing to say here now, but I think you should embrace all the changes that happen in your body. You have to embrace it. You have to love yourself. And only that is going to show, and you're going to, everything else is, secondary. You have to love yourself and accept yourself for what you are. And of course there are changes. I have grown older. My skin is not as tight as it used to be. I don't have the flat stomach that I used to have. I do have the stretch marks, and I'm quite comfortable with them. I'm okay with them, and I think that's me. It reminds me that I have this wonderful boy. It reminds me that I have this wonderful family which completes me, which gives me so much peace and happiness. And I think, considering that these marks remind me of these things, and yes, I do believe that as I'm aging, I think I look more beautiful. Because I think there is a certain character which comes on, and I really like these lines much more than the blank canvas that is there. So, yeah.
Well, thank you so much. One question from the host. It's very rarely you get to see a gentleman on stage, and we would just want to know a little more about Juan. When did you join Oriflame from Colombia? I've been told you're from Colombia. How did your journey happen?
It has been really a journey. I came from very far. I'm from Colombia, South America. I have been working for direct selling companies my whole life, so I really, really love it. And when we speak about giving opportunities to women, this is real. This is something real. It's not a cliche, it's not something that we do for marketing, but it's because we believe in that. So, and on that direction, Oriflame is on the top. I mean, every value is there. When we start creating a product like this, for us, everything is important. Sustainability, nature. So for us, it's not important. Selling is important, of course. We need to grow because we need to give profit to other people. We need to fulfill dreams. But that has to be sustainable. That has to be behind something. And you know that that's very connected to Sweden's story. Sweden is a country that is very connected to every value. And in that sense, I feel really, really happy. So yes, this is my, thank you very much. I have been in India for almost 5 weeks already. I'm quite excited. I mean, learning new things, a new market. I was living in Europe before, also working with Oriflame. And believe me that this is the right company. This is the company for the future. We are, your dreams are our inspiration. We believe in women, we believe, and I really loved your words, Sonali, they are really, really inspiring. And maybe we'll steal a little bit of that. Yeah? But this is the company for the women. So we like that. I mean, we will support their dreams, we will support them with all the kind of things that they need. And of course, we love our consumers. So please give it a try. Give it a try. This is a great product. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Juan. Thank you very much. And yes, Sonali, beautifully put. Really lovely. You truly are a great spokesman. We're really proud to have you on board. Can we please have a big round of applause for all of them? And now, because Oriflame is so cool, we did a contest called Selfie with Sonali, and we have lots of winners here of the same. And they're going to come one by one and get a selfie with you because they love you. And before that, I'd love to invite two women who are really hardworking, Lily and Malvika, come here to get a picture with all of you guys.
to the mic.
Now relax and let's have some fun with Sonali on the mic.
It's okay?
सोनाली हाय तो इन्वेस्टर है इसके बारे में क्या कुछ ओके 1 सेकंड
Okay, okay.
अरे आना एक बार हो गया थैंक यू यस सोना
Okay. What is the question?
इन्वेस्टर है आप इसके तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आज के बारे में और इस
Well, आज हम ओरिफ्लेम का नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हैं जो नीम प्रोडक्ट है. इट्स कॉल्ड लव नेचर एंड हम सब इंडियंस हैं, हम सब जानते हैं नीम की वैल्यू क्या है. एज चिल्ड्रन वी हैव ग्रोन अप नोइंग कि कितना मैजिकल है नीम, कितनी प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं उसमें. और ये नीम की प्रॉपर्टीज़ स्किन को भी बेनिफिशियल होती हैं, जैसे इट इज़ बेनिफिशियल फॉर लॉट ऑफ अदर इलनेस एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ओरिफ्लेम की खासियत ये रही है कि उन्होंने आज तक जो भी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है बहुत रिसर्च के बाद और बहुत अच्छी तरह से उसके ट्रायल्स करने के बाद में लॉन्च किया है. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड क्योंकि व्हाट आर द नीम प्रॉपर्टीज़ एंड आई थिंक ओरिफ्लेम विल बी वन कंपनी विच विल गेट ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज़ राइट. So I'm looking forward to using this product. I've heard great reviews of it, so this is something that I think is wonderful. ये जो लव नेचर रेंज है, ये इनकी प्योर नेचर रेंज की एक इवॉल्व्ड रेंज है. एंड जो प्योर नेचर रेंज थी वो भी बहुत ही अच्छी एंड नेचुरल रेंज थी. So in this they have wild rose, they have aloe vera and the neem. So different products for different skin types, and that I think is the wonderful thing about today.
Sonali,
Yes.
just the other day we saw you at the Mrs. Feingold Twinkle Khanna's
Ji, yeah.
event, and it was you, it was Twinkle, it was Suzanne, all of you all are somewhat in the same age group and you guys look gorgeous. How does it happen? And we always talk about it, you guys look better in your 30s than you've ever looked, you know, earlier.
I think it's about loving yourself also and embracing what you are. But yes, like you said, Twinkle is a gorgeous woman. So is Suzanne, and I think they are lovely people also. They're very dear friends, and so yes, we were all friends, and we were there to cheer our friend, I love the way she writes, and I think she's very, very funny. And we've always laughed at her jokes, and and here she is, her book is out, and for everybody to see how really, truly funny she is. Yes? Okay? Foot massage time for everybody.
और सोनाली अगर हम इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You are a part of Bollywood.
Thank you.
और सोनाली
Yes.
अगर हम बायोपिक की अगर हम बात करें तो इन दिनों बहुत सारी बायोपिक की चर्चा चल रही. ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन जो आपके काफी करीब हैं, किस रोल में आप उन्हें
Again, Oriflame today.
Sonali,
Ji.
this one thing that everyone's online these days.
I'm not.
You're not.
Yes.
But we would love for you to be.
It's scary to be so open, and I'm basically a very private person. I know it sounds very funny considering the line I'm in, the career I have been in, but if you, I think in somewhere I always dealt with it by not really telling the truth in my various times. I've always changed things, and but it's difficult to be so open and so honest for me. So this is something that I'm very wary of. My husband and my son love the technology, and I can't understand why they like it so much. So I do go through a lot of paranoia, especially where my son is concerned, which my husband keeps telling me, stop it, there's no need to be so paranoid. But I still am very paranoid about it. So yes, I'm not on any social media. Maybe one day I will get over my paranoia, and maybe I will be there. But 140 words on Twitter is very difficult. I have lots to say.
अच्छा ओरिफ्लेम की अगर हम बात
जी.
करें तो किन किन लोगों को अपने बॉलीवुड के करीबी दोस्तों को आप देना चाहेंगे आप?
You're very persistent. But I think when I stand here as a brand ambassador and say that the products are lovely, and I more than just forget who are the Bollywood people I would like to give it to. I give it to my family, which I think is nothing is more important to me than my family. And I give these products to my family and they use it. So I think that is a testimonial where I'm concerned.
Okay. Done? Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sure. With a foot massage. So I get a foot massage.